With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, we have this question. Evaluate integral from 0 to pi by 2 x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, so we have, let I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, this is the value of integral. Now, to solve this, first of all, we'll use a property that when we have integration from a to b f of x dx, then this integral is also equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Okay, this is the property of definite integrals. Okay, so here using this property we get I equal to integration from 0 to pi by 2. This becomes pi by 2 minus x divided by sine of pi by 2 minus x plus cos of pi by 2 minus x dx. Okay, so integral becomes I equal to integration from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, this becomes pi by 2 divided by, this is cos x, sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x, and cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Okay, minus integration, this is dx here, minus integration from 0 to pi by 2 x divided by simply sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, I have break this term, this integral, into these two terms. Okay, now this term is the same as the integral value I. Okay, so we can write this whole term is equal to I. Okay, so we can write this would go here, it would become 2I is equal to pi by 2 taken common outside of the integral, integration from 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by sin x plus cos x. Okay, so here the integral I simply becomes pi by 4 integration from 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by sin x plus cos x. Now, to solve this integral, we will convert both sine and cos in terms of tan. Okay, we will use the formulas, that is sin x can be written as 2 times of tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2, and cos x can be written as 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Okay, so putting these values in the integration, we get I equal to pi by 4 integration from 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by sin x is 2 times of tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, so I can write secant square x by 2 here. Similarly, cos x is 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2 is again secant square x by 2. Okay, now secant square x by 2 is here in denominator. Okay, taking LCM, it will go in the numerator. So here the I can be simplified further. I is equal to pi by 4 integration from 0 to pi by 2 secant square x by 2 dx divided by 2 times of tan x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2. Okay, now we will do a substitution here. So we will put tan x by 2 equal to t here. Okay, why? Because when we'll differentiate this term with respect to x, we will get secant square x by 2 dx by 2 by chain rule equal to dt. Okay, substituting value like this in this integral. Okay, so integral I becomes I equal to pi by 4 integration. Okay, now the limits also would change according to t. So here at x equal to 0, t is tan 0 is 0, and at x equal to pi by 2, t would be tan pi by 4, that is 1. Okay, so these are the limits in terms of t. So limits become integration from 0 to 1. Now from here secant square x by 2 into dx value is 2 dt. So we can write 2 dt here, and in denominator tan x by 2 would be equal to t. So this becomes 2t plus 1 minus t square. Okay, now here taking minus common, this becomes minus pi by 4 integration from 0 to 1. Okay, there's 2 also here, so this becomes in denominator pi by 2, and this becomes dt divided by, taking minus common, this becomes t square minus 2t minus 1. Okay, now here t minus 1 whole square is equal to t square minus 2t plus 1. Okay, then t minus 1 whole square minus 2 would be equal to t square minus 2 minus 1. Okay, this is the same the denominator, so we can put denominator value like this. So the denominator becomes I equal to minus pi by 2 integration from 0 to 1 dt divided by t minus 1 whole square minus 2. Okay, and I can write 2 as root 2 whole square. Why? Because now this becomes a standard form. This is of standard form that integration of dx divided by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus any constant. Okay, so here comparing with this, we get x is t minus 1 and a is root 2. Okay, now we will put the value. So integral I becomes minus pi by 2 and 1 divided by 2a a is root 2 log of mod x minus a. X is t minus 1, so x minus a divided by x, that is t minus 1 plus a, and limits are from 0 to 1. Solving further, we get this is minus pi by 4 root 2, 2 into 2, 4, and inside we have log of putting 1, we get minus root 2 divided by plus root 2, minus putting 0 in place of t, we get log of minus 1 minus root 2 divided by minus 1 plus root 2. Okay, so integral I becomes minus pi by 4 root 2 in multiplication. This is log of minus 1, log of mod of minus 1, so this is 0, and this becomes minus log, this is taking minus common from both, this becomes root 2 plus 1 divided by under root 2 in minus and plus 1. Okay, so we can solve it further. This becomes integral I equal to minus of pi by 4 root 2 into minus become plus log of, this is root 2 plus 1 mod of root 2 plus 1 and 1 minus root 2. Rationalizing denominator, we get 1 plus root 2 divided by 1 plus root 2 mod. So this is equal to integral I equal to pi by 4 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1 whole square, that is 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2, and in denominator we get 1 square minus 2 square. This is mod also. So integral I becomes pi by 4 root 2 log of, this is 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by minus 1, so mod, so this becomes plus. So this is the final value of the integral. Answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.